J Cole ne Kendrick no man when you want. But you guys they listen to them as song.
Yeah.
So if you they talk say make Ghana artists no do rap, J Cole no they do hip life. J Cole no they do I'm a piano. But you people they put them a song on playlist and you can tell me every single J Cole song. So why don't you want Kojo Viper to do in rap and also sing when he wants?
In recent times, in a lot of dope rappers. I mean, rappers are what rappers who are or a rapper. A lot of them are crossing carpets. Far away singing are they? Do you feel disappointed that you lose rap culture now the BBD?
No, so honestly, when it comes to disappointment, my only disappointment is more about the perception circulating around. It's not about the actions of the rappers. And I don't blame the fans either. But there's a perception which has been passed on from generation to generation to generation, which is okay, Ghana's on a rappers on Ghana's on a rappers on Ghana's, but if you really, really look down from the beginning of time, from the Kwakesi to date, if you hear Kwakesi, you don't know Kwakesi to be a singer, right?
Yeah.
So if you tell me that rap then it's almost like you are undermining some of the success of some of our greatest, writers. Obrafour, for example. Obrafour is a great rapper. It's a great rapper, right?
Yeah,
But
yes.
he did do some of the singing and he did the rap too. And, to answer your question specifically, it's not on the rapper. Every artist should be able to have as broad as possible, like a creative space. Where you don't box yourself in and I'm a rapper and I don't want to see anything that's going on. If by all means you don't have the skill to do other things, that's different. But if you do have the skill to do other things, you shouldn't allow anything to box you in. As I said, when I see the likes of the Kimpalutas and the Amrados going crazy on that side too, it doesn't take anything away from them because they see as a pen and paper to what I want to verse, they will bust it for you too. And me, self, I'll be a typical example. If you listen to a Fierce Schwarzenegger, you won't think that's Teephlow.
Yeah.
But a Fierce Schwarzenegger has proven that is one of the songs that most people they like. Wow.
Yeah.
And I think I will urge every artist to not only tap into your core skill, which may be the rap, but also dabble into other things. Especially if you have the skill. If you don't have the skill, then if you are doing it, you worry yourself. If you don't have the skill, you can feature someone else who does. But if you do have the skill, go crazy, test out things, and then that be the artist them aside. When it comes to the audience, this is where that negative perception plays a role. And it starts from the gatekeepers and it goes down to the media personalities and then it comes down to the fans. So the so-called gatekeepers and media personalities, and I don't blame them either because they too, it is this same perception that has been passed on. No one's will carry. As I said, we keep saying, "Oh, rap there, rap there, rap there." But you see, I said it in my song. The minute you and somebody get beef, then everybody tune into rap. Yeah. Ghanaians, we like rap a lot. Like Ghana, they really love rap. So we not for undermine them. Sarkodie became the biggest artist in Ghana, not because of singing.
Yeah.
So what makes us think rap no they sell? Mama connect massa. So maybe you can say, hey, if you want to break boundaries and take it to the next level, maybe you for do music that will cater to more audience. That is how we foresee the conversation. So do what you are doing, but if you want to cater to more audience, maybe you want to tap into this direction small. So let's encourage people to embrace the art in so many different ways. So many and if you do reggae, dancehall and dancehall.
Yeah.
So I don't go sit down, make somebody in perception limit my potential. So that is one thing I would say. And the fans, as we talk about these things, make you guys also open your mind inside. One big question. J Cole ne Kendrick no man when you want. But you guys they listen to them as songs.
Yeah.
So if they talk say make Ghana artists no do rap, J Cole no they do hip life. J Cole no they do I'm a piano. But you people they put them a song on playlist, and you can tell me every single J. Cole song. So why don't you want, Kojo Viper to do in rap and also sing when he wants? Mama
But
can
oh yeah,
masa.
but oh
So
yeah, but oh yeah. At times, waka once J Cole num na hardcore rappers and embesi afun saying one, and embesi afun am from Basuna Woma, and yom ye commercial or ye popular and or ye damazing. But question I'm putting maybe Sunday, can we determine the success of a song based on how a lot of people are jamming to it another how viral and you want to another when you need to execute in a purpose it is still successful.
yeah, I think success will be seen, um will be very subjective, and it will ultimately depend on the person who is making the song and the goal they had for the song, right?
Yeah,
When I was doing State of the Art,
yeah,
I wanted to send a specific message for all the industry players and every business partner who is one way or the other related to the music industry, right?
yeah,
From the DJ to the fans. I wanted to send a specific message. The goal of that project wasn't to have the most popular song on the internet or on radio. Is to make sure that people heard the message and people actually respected the message and tried to give it their very all. So based on that direction, I can say for sure that State of the Art was very successful. Mama
yeah,
Kenneth Masa.
yeah,
Uh-huh. So it depends on individually. I mean, I think recently I dropped Resurrection. One guy, just they have personal conversation with me, and he's like, Charlie, Resurrection, rap and sick, but Charlie, this one, we take this one, Ghana people, they know will give you the awards and things. So, and I'm say, but who said Teephlow wants an award because of the Resurrection? Mama can answer. So
yeah,
it comes down to what specific goal do you want to achieve with this? If I want my song to get, and this is the answer I gave the guy, I must say, if some boy be what akwetia baby when he's having a bad day
yeah,
and he the fit pull up my song and that song the fit take him through the day, that's a success right there. So it depends on everybody and what they find successful. Obi wo ha no nyimo hit 1 million streams and no feel that we boom. Nto on phone put there obotua ma robot we stream e do 1 million on fan ho. Obi so ha he wants to have real life impact. So everybody then what they consider successful. Rap
yeah,
is very technical. When it comes to singing and doing melodic songs and just music, very musically song, like or very musical song, sorry, it connect to the average person easily. Like there's a larger market for you if you are doing something that is not too technical. It comes down to this same archaic old-fashioned mentality that we have had over and over and over the years. Yes, if you do a song right now and it's melodic, your average music lover, your mother, your grandmother, your grandfather, all of them can enjoy it.
yeah,
If you do a very lyrical song, all these people are not going to enjoy it. But you have a target audience. So what I say is let's champion both.
Matt even few rappers na wako or yes singing in there. And come I was in no Samanya singing in coming to man quabruchi and kobo shows in car one from Waha and all that. But deep down in their hearts, and you can see that they are first loving in rapping. But we feel there rapping on it's not bringing bread home. Until then they have to do the singing and all that in your own way and advising. If you that bad no there, can or rap music and botum ma. I mean, we can get shows like the way because I mean, look at King Palute. He's been around for like 15 years. But all you feel and you're singing and that our friend waha ni rates because so I mean the conversation and other some now can all obvious. But then if rap has that potential, because say you could rap on you bet your audience so what's a rapper. Then we need to do something about it. So what are some of the ways? Able to my rap bottom was stand it because you could say those days, Kasahari levels, Dr. Pound Sonom War, recordings are what year. I think I saw yours, streaming some few days
Right.
ago. And then people are still
Mm-hmm.
enjoying these videos like rap and as
Yep.
and so what do we do to make this whole rap act commercial? Our stakeholder.
Okay. Yeah. So a couple of things where they come to mind as you they base the question.
Yeah.
So I would say it comes down to the truth and the truth. So first of all, the first truth is for any business, you
Yeah.
have to find the product that is most demanded by the larger audience. Say Eton, for example, Eton gaming laptops are.
Yeah.
You ask yourself how many people in Ghana are ready to spend $1,500 on a gaming laptop,
Yeah.
right? And then in that same laptop space, able to turn standard HP or standard Toshiba laptop, which be like maybe $500,
Yeah.
and ask yourself how many people want the standard laptop I was better one regular things. So you realize that this regular standard thing has far more audience because most people are not going to do all the detailed, more technical things
Yeah.
with a gaming laptop into one piano.
Yeah.
But if you really look down, the gaming laptop has way more to offer you
Yeah.
because it has more processing power, more all that. So bringing that same analogy to rap, it is the same conversation. When it comes to singing and doing melodic songs and just music, very musically song, like or very musical song, sorry, it connect to the average person easily. Like there's a larger market for you if you are doing something that is not too technical. Rap
Yeah.
is very technical. Rap, the McKay then times in the hammer of the last two account, it's mathematics. You have to calculate how the lyrics is sitting on the beat and how the punchlines are coming and everything. And to know the truth, the first truth is no call oil one
Yeah.
melody, hip life, Afrobeat, high life, those things, it connects to the audience easily, more easily than lyrical, something lyrical on a song, right? And so on your one. The second truth is that if we are 100% honest with ourselves as rappers,
Yeah.
we don't put as much work into the rap songs as we put into the quote unquote singing when we do those songs because we feel like okay, this one go catch the average audience more, try many banger, make sure that every radio has it everywhere, right? But if we put that same effort into making sure that this rap song everybody is playing it, it will turn into Sarkodie's Obede. Number one, I'm the best
Yeah.
MC
I
because
get it.
everybody loves that song. But because we don't put that much energy into it, also because we have kind of accepted the idea there. Rap now, uncle, and me ways
Yeah.
to wado. So the truth and the truth, yes, melodies will catch the average ear. The human ear,
Yeah.
they catch melodies easier than any other thing. But two, which is also the truth, we don't put as much effort into promoting the rap as much as we will put into the melody. So that is another reason why. And then the final thing will be it comes down to this same archaic old-fashioned mentality that we have had over and over and over the years. Yes, if you do a song right now and it is melodic, your average music lover, your mother, your grandmother, your grandfather, all of them can enjoy it.
Yeah.
If you do a very lyrical song, all these people are not going to enjoy it. But you have a target audience. So what I say is let's champion both.
Okay.
Allow the Afrobeat, the hip life, the high life to take us through the different parts of the world. Let's do that. And we should even be happy that it's taking us to the world. But let's not let the success of this one become the boundary for this other one. If we champion both, then we are selling Ghana in a broader market than just one thing. Because that one thing, there are so many other people competing with us. But when it comes to the rapper, not a lot of countries can compete with us.
Yeah.
Until anyone to compete with singing melodies, Afrobeat, hip life, high life side, then they'll kill on our rap side now. That is a win, like a much bigger win for us
For Ghana.
Ghanaians. So
Well,
that would be me, my 2 cents on that.
I see. I think American Metwasi, it's like you're judging a fish and a monkey. A fish would do well in a river, a monkey would do well on a tree. And so we shouldn't make it look like